Hi guys! Today we have another money-saving video for you. We are going to make homemade dishwasher tablets. Now this version uses borax, which can be a little bit controversial. So if you want a version that doesn't use borax, I will link it at the end of the video. But with that, we are going to get started on our borax version. And here are the ingredients we will use. We will be using borax, washing soda, kosher salt. You can also use Epsom salt if that's what you have on hand. Baking soda, distilled white vinegar, and essential oils. Now I'm using lemon, but you can use whatever works for you. I like lemon because it has antibacterial properties, which makes me feel that the dishes are getting a little bit cleaner, but it's totally up to you. Or you could eliminate it altogether. And we will need some water. For utensils, we will need a mixing bowl, a half cup measure, our mixing spoon, and a tablespoon to measure the water. So let's get to making these tablets. We will start with 1 cup of washing soda, which is already in here. I had to do it beforehand because it was very clumpy and I had to break it up. We will also need 1 cup of borax. This comes out much nicer. 1/4 cup of our kosher salt or Epsom salt, so it's half of this measure. We need 1/3 cup of baking soda. Got a 1/3 cup measure here. 1/2 cup of our vinegar. And it's going to start fizzing at this point, which is okay. And 3 tablespoons of our water. And start mixing. Okay, at this point I will add my essential oils. So we need about 50 drops or so. For me, that is going to be 2 of these droppers full. Again, it's not necessary if you don't want to add it. It smells like lemons. Oh, that's such a nice smell. Okay. I've got 2 silicone molds here. These are just ice cube trays with silicone bottoms. And I will start to fill them up. And work quickly, but just make sure that your molds are as evenly filled as possible. Don't worry about tamping them down. We'll do that in a bit. Just get them filled. Okay, it's pretty good. Now we will put one on top of the other, press down with a little bit of force, not too much. and vice versa. And there we have it. You'll want to let these dry for about a day. What I typically do is the following morning, I will pop them out of the molds and turn them upside down and place them on a wire rack to continue drying until they're fully dry. And then I'll put them in a container that I can seal really well. And these will last a couple months at least, as long as your container is sealed against moisture. So that does it for our dishwasher tablets using borax. I will link a version here that uses no borax in case you are interested. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And with that, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on our next adventure.